If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. You can create a PDF form from a paper form using your computer scanner and Adobe Acrobat. This helps when you want users to fill a paper form out electronically. To create a form from a scanned document in Acrobat, launch Acrobat. Then click the hamburger menu button, roll down to the Create command, and then select the Create Form command from the side menu that appears to show the Prepare a Form view in a new document window in Acrobat. The Prepare a Form view shows your form creation options in Acrobat as links at the left side of the view. Click the Scan a Document link in the Form Creation Options list to open the Scan a Document view. Select the scanner from the Scanner drop-down and select the desired scanner settings in Acrobat as needed. To scan the document and create a form, click the Create Form button. Acrobat then scans the document, converts it into a form, shows it in the document window, shows the Prepare a Form form editing panel at the left side of the window, and shows the Fields panel at the right side of the window. As shown in previous lessons, Acrobat's form field recognition capabilities are not foolproof. Although most form elements are recognized and converted, you may notice that some elements on the scanned form are not interactive. At this point, you can then use Acrobat's form editing tools to manually add or edit text fields, radio buttons, and other missing elements in the form. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.